What is up, you guys? We got a video for you guys. It's nighttime right now while I'm recording. I'm sorry about that. You know I have trouble doing the intros, but I'm gonna let you guys in on this before we even get to the video. I didn't even catch no fish this video, but I will definitely catch fish tomorrow. But it's like, this is the thing. I had went out here, the place I usually go to, the water was up real high and I did not have the right equipment. I didn't even think about the water being real high, so I just fished it because I already had came out there late. But I fished it just to see would I even get some luck. But I know what to go out there now with. And my birthday is in a couple of hours, y'all. We got chill. I'm fishing on my birthday. We got to turn up. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all these little clips. It's crazy though. It's like, the clips are interesting because it's like some real tall rushing water. It's like crazy. But I'm gonna see you guys on the GoPro, bro. Peace out. I don't even know how I'm gonna cast out here. Wait. Hold right quick. Oh yeah, I had to come back up here and talk, y'all. I forgot my mic. I'm doing a whole lot of stuff wrong today. I forgot to add my external mic. The water is rushing so freaking hard. I'm finna try this. I don't even know how well this is doing, that rushing water. The water rushing so hard. Because this is only a square bill. It's not a deep dive in that water. Oh my gosh. It is crazy. I know. Bro, I don't know what I just got myself into. I can't even lie. But this one I'm finna try to use. I'm finna get my bait caster. I'm over here stuttering stuff because oh my gosh, this is crazy. Golly. What type of fish are those? That little fish, it was just a big fish that was just jumping. Golly, this water is so up, y'all. This water is so up. It's like, what would even be your technique out here? I wish I can fish on the other side where it's like, it's a little bit calmer. Golly, y'all seeing these fish jumping? I just had one of them big old carp things. I'm finna see if I'll be able to just get one, land my bait, just flow with the river, whatever it's called. Man, it's a huge catfish right there. They're just so big. You guys, I catch some or not, this video will still be getting uploaded just because it's just crazy. But if y'all do got any tips on how to catch fish in conditions like this, let me know, because I do need to know. Like, if you do know how to catch fish in these type of conditions, rushing water, because I really have no clue, honestly. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys like I do. I never just fished in rushing water like this. So you guys, let me know, what's the best thing to use when fishing in rushing water like this? Right now I'm just all up in the current, barely knowing what I'm doing. Just feel like I'm stuck on a stick or something. Or am I stuck on the bottom? Probably definitely stuck on the bottom. Oh, I just got off the bottom. Oh wait, is it a fish? Yeah, this feel like a fish. No. Just the bottom again. And I got the most wackiest setup right now. I'm really just using anything. Cause honestly, I barely know what I'm doing, y'all. I don't let my line go out. I most likely get unstuck again. Yeah, the water. Water. It's too strong. I ain't never seen it like this before. Yeah, it got to be rushing too hard. It's rushing too hard. I wonder can you cast all the way back here? Almost hit myself up in the head with a freaking crankbait, y'all. Hey y'all, if y'all do got any tips. Ooh, wait, I'm finna try to get a good thumbnail. Water rushing too hard. If I ain't caught something, line gonna break. How long you think it's gonna be rushing like this? How long you think it's gonna be rushing like this? How long you think it's gonna be rushing like this? Even if I caught something, the line gonna break because it's too strong. I gotta fight the fish and because I seen it up high before, but there's too much high. Current too strong to fishing. I want to get one of them Bass Pro Shop spoons though. Walmart, they got big spoons. With Bass Pro Shop, they got a spoon like you fishing in the sea or something. Whew. Guys, it's crazy. Guys, I know y'all just seen it. That was crazy, but I'm gonna try to get some spoons the next time I come out here and try to catch them. But hope you guys enjoyed that. I didn't do too much talking. You couldn't even hear me if I did in talking, probably because the rapids was too loud. But hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on my channel. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.